Hello, here we are in a new review presenting innovative connected object entering to the market. Today it will be the turn of MicroHard that has just marketed a new kind of VR headset. Firstly, MicroHard is a company working on new immersive technologies based in several countries, but the headquarters is located in Wormhout. Now it's the turn to the presentation of the object, named RPO VR, a benchmark to the movie Ready Player One by Steven Spielberg, but also to the book written by Ernest Cline in 2011.
The RPO VR is a VR headset that want to be very realistic in the scenario and the simulation. It's offered by pushing the user sensibility to the maximum. With this one, it is possible to relive historical moments at different periods of history. You can live the best moment of a fictional character like of the movies, do physical and athletic activities that do not have the opportunity to do every day because they can be dangerous. It is also possible to have access to simulation for the professional world, for example for the army. For driving different vehicles, car, bus, train and plane.
This simulation allows athletes for the train for sports activity while remaining at home. To improve the skill of the athlete, the helmet will look for the waypoints to improve them. The lift glasses named ProGlass, they are included in the ultra-realistic simulation pack. It measures ACE activity to examine the visual file, which will be sent in real time on the smartphone. At COVID, we have found a solution for distance learning course for children, teachers, and company. The video conferences are very realistic. It gives the impression to live in the same room with a beautiful image and good sound.
Oh la la, it's boring. It's not really realistic.
Fuck! Take a bullet! I need more fun.
Hey guys, I have a gift for you. Take it. It's a great VR helmet. You can do a lot amazing things, like going to school.
Oh, thank you very much. I will use it right now.
Stop. Before the using, listen to the video to explain how to put it.
It's very easy to wear it. First, put the gloves on your hands, turn them on, turn on the VR headset, check that the gloves headphones are working, and finally put the VR headset on your head.
Mom, Clara is absent. Teacher, sorry. Wow, it's so amazing. It's so realistic.
The RPOVR gives many possibilities to enjoy the outside world while staying at home. Its design is very well thought, while being both commonly and also innovative. It's very comfortable to wear, and the slight thanks to lithium-ion battery new generation, making it very compact and with a good battery life. It's also very resistant to shocks and waters, thanks to its shell made of carbon.
To have tested the Pro VR, it's very pleasant to use. It surpasses the first VR existent and made like Oculus Rift, because can be used only game while the Pro VR it's very better. Pushing a border of immersing on the question what is the reality, what is not.
The basic pack is sold for $1,999, and it includes the RPO VR and the RPO glove, as well as a night mask that will measure your brain activity at night, record your dream, that be sent the RPO VR to be relive your dream. The deluxe pack includes the basic pack and the multi-directional treadmill with ultra comfortable shoes to be able to do a bunch of immersive sport activities. We also find the ultimate pack, come to add an outfit to feel everything that touch use as physical and the emotion as well. The appearance that will allow to smell that sound, as but also add a feature to the RPO VR that will add the ability to have the test without actuality, having to eat a few things, only by using the electrical signal that simulate your brain. Finally, there are additional packs, like the one sold for the army to drive a vehicle, and price is $60 per DLC.
Same is the price of height, it's the price of freedom.
See the world in a completely different way.